Hi everyone, Matt Philly here for another Techorial, which is a tech tutorial, and today we're going to go on the basis of Photoshop. And today I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial on the Zoomify. It's pretty sure it's only in CS4, it might be in CS3, but that's only from what I know. I don't really know because I have CS4. So pretty much any size image like you see, I think this is, yeah. So it's 1024 by 768, which is wallpaper size for a standard monitor. And so I have it just this little picture of New York. I mean, you can have a picture of anything, and if you wanted to, you can set up a camera on a tripod, take a picture, move the tripod so the camera's still in the same, like, it's all set up the same. You're just moving it to capture more, and then just intertwine those for like a restaurant if you're making their website or something. And then what it will do is when you put this together, it will be like a 3D virtual tour. So I mean, you can do that, or you can set up with one picture. Whatever you want to do, it works. So this is what we're gonna do. I mean, you can, if you want to, go into image size, change the size, but when you do, this was not checked off. So what you would want to do is constrain proportions and scale styles. But if you want to keep it to full size, go ahead, File, Export, Zoomify. Now this up here, the template, this is where you're gonna pretty much decide what background you want for the HTML file that it will export. Now this is not a big deal if you're gonna just go ahead, go into the code, take the Zoomify itself and add it to your website. This is not a biggie, but this is for if you want just the page and the Zoomify. So for this sake of the tutorial, I'll go ahead with the white background and give it a base name. You see I'm saving my documents. You can save it anywhere, save it as anything. I'm just gonna call mine Zoomify. Now, image tile options. For quality, depending on your host, how much you want to use for this, I'm going to go ahead and just do maximum. I want to go ahead and do full-on quality, and I'm optimizing the tables. Now, the browser options, we want it to open in a web browser, and you can make this the size of whatever, because this is going to be the size of the Zoomify thing itself. So, if we make it, I don't know, whatever you want to. It really doesn't make a difference, because you probably go into the code and just change it. For now, I'll just leave it at 640x480. That's pretty much it. It's a quick tutorial. Click OK. Now just let it export. See that it's loading. Now we can go ahead into the My Documents. And if you look right here, here's the Zoomify HTML file. And I'll double click. Hopefully it's done. There we go. There it is. This is pretty much all you need to know. Now you can set it up if you want it to start, you know, in the middle, because this is right here, Zoomify. You got yourself the Zoomify. You get to zoom right in. The quality stays. And then here you can do the sides, go down, go over here. Whatever you want to do, it's all in this. I'm Matt Philly. This is another Techorial, a tech tutorial. Send in your requests for Photoshop, Dreamweaver, Sony Vegas Pro, whatever you want. I'll do a tutorial on it, even if it's just off about your computer pretty much. I'll help you. Make sure to follow us on Twitter. And yeah, I'm Matt Philly. See you all later.